Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, if you're looking to do some work outside or maybe get in that quick golf game after work, tomorrow and Thursday would be the days to do that. Here's why. You're basically looking at dew points, and notice how they stay in the 50s for tomorrow into Thursday. When we have dew points in the 50s, that is very comfortable. This is not as comfortable. You can see what happens. By Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we get those dew points into the 60s, even the 70s. That's when it starts to become very sticky. So this break in the humidity certainly does not last for very long. Now, we could use a little more rain around here, even though we're actually a little above normal for this month. The scattered thunderstorms have helped, but we could use a little more help. Here's why. Actual rainfall since June 1st, just over 3 inches. Normally we get about 5.5, and that is creating about a 2.5-inch deficit. So some of our lawns looking a little better lately, but some still look like this. So hopefully some of those showers on the way for Friday, Saturday can actually be realized, especially at night. Obviously, we don't want the showers around during the day on the weekends when a lot of us have plans. A nice evening here in Narragansett. It looks busy. It looks very comfortable with those temperatures in the 70s and 60s, even a few 50s showing up. How about 59 for you in Taunton, 68 New Bedford, 70 right now in Newport, and 68 in Westerly. Lows overnight dropping to around 60. Pretty comfortable stuff for sleeping. And high pressure maintains control. It did that today. It does that tomorrow. Notice the big blue H here to our north and west. And when it gets in this position, it sends winds out of the northwest. That brings in some nice clean air from Canada, and this trend will continue into tomorrow. Now, this loses its grip a little bit, so we end up with a little bit of a flow out of the south by tomorrow afternoon. But before that happens, those winds from the north allowing even the coast to get to the 80s. Providence, obviously, you get into the 80s. If the coast is, you're going to get to around 83. In Narragansett, we'll give you a high of around 80 with mostly sunny skies. So a nice day to maybe eat lunch outside. Notice what happens by 4 or 5 p.m. We bring those temperatures back into the 70s with those winds coming in from the southwest. So at the beach, it's not a sizzler, it's not a scorcher, but we'll take it. Upper 70s to around 80 for high temperatures at the beach with safe sun time around 10 minutes. So definitely a lot of sunscreen for tomorrow with a lot of sun out there. On the bay, waves around 1 foot in Narragansett Bay with high tide on the way just before 9 o'clock in the morning. Now, a few little changes here on the 7-day Futurecast. Thursday, it gets a little breezier, also a tad more humid with temperatures warming up to the upper 80s. And then on Friday, chance of some showers and thunderstorms primarily for the evening. So it does look like most of the day remains dry on Friday, but this is something we'll have to keep an eye on because some of these storms could be severe. The weekend looks mostly rain-free, but warm. Also humid, high temperatures around 89, 90 degrees. And then Sunday night into Monday morning, notice what happens. This is one of our computer models, and as we go late Sunday night into early Monday morning, notice some showers approaching from the west. If this changes by just a few hours, that could affect plans on Sunday night. I know we have the fireworks in Cranston for St. Mary's Feast, so we'll be tracking this carefully. Right now, we're going to leave that part of the Futurecast dry, and then we'll hold on to the 80s for Monday and Tuesday with a chance of some showers on Monday afternoon as well. But definitely a nice break in the humidity for the next couple days.
Yeah, absolutely. All right. Thanks, Pete. More local coverage for you now.